Which international body officially proclaimed the Decade of Action for Road Safety 2011 to 2020? A. International Red Cross. B. World Health Organization. C. World Bank. D. United Nations General Assembly. The correct answer is D. United Nations General Assembly. Through which mechanism can one obtain copies of documents from government agencies? A. Through media inquiries. B. Direct application to the minister. C. Through RTI. D. Through a private attorney. The correct answer is C. Through RTI. Which organization focuses on issues related to women in India? A. The National Commission for Women. B. The National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. C. The Ministry of Finance. D. censusindia.gov.in. The correct answer is A. The National Commission for Women. What is a geographic feature that surrounds landforms? A. Mountain. B. Ocean. C. Strait. D. Plateau. The correct answer is B. Ocean. Which article of the Constitution is mentioned as prohibiting discrimination? A. Article 18. B. Article 10. C. Article 15. D. Article 12. The correct answer is C. Article 15. Where are solid white lines typically seen on roads? A. On rural roads with low traffic. B. Near school zones. C. On areas of strategic importance. D. In residential areas. The correct answer is C. On areas of strategic importance. What type of vehicles are suggested for use? A. Fast vehicles. B. Public vehicles. C. Eco-friendly vehicles. D. Large vehicles. The correct answer is C. Eco-friendly vehicles. What are rights that are a creation of society? A. Civil rights. B. Human rights. C. Natural rights. D. Birth rights. The correct answer is A. Civil rights. Who set up the law commission that codified Indian laws? A. Lord Dalhousie. B. Montesquieu. C. Warren Hastings. D. Macaulay. The correct answer is D. Macaulay. Which district is M.K. Maria Pillai associated with as a BT assistant, Geo? A. Coimbatore district. B. Salem. C. Trichy district. D. Tirupur. The correct answer is A. Coimbatore district. At the national level, who appoints the Prime Minister of India? A. The Speaker of Lok Sabha. B. The Election Commissioner. C. The President of India. D. The Chief Justice. The correct answer is C. The President of India. What is required as a one-time tax for a new car according to the matching section? A. Zebra crossing. B. Comic book on road safety. C. The tax itself. D. Pollution under control certificate. The correct answer is B. Comic book on road safety. Which activities are suggested for reinforcing road safety education? A. Writing slogans, essays, and paintings. B. Participating in road rallies and parades. C. Attending lectures and seminars. D. Debating and public speaking. The correct answer is A. Writing slogans, essays, and paintings. When were bilateral trade mechanisms covering diverse sectors established in Bhutan? A. 1968. Born in 1971. Circa 1990. D. 1947. The correct answer is A. 1968. Which of these is an informatory sign? A. School ahead. B. Fuel. C. Men at work. D. Pedestrian crossing. The correct answer is B. Fuel. What is distributed to the public during Road Safety Week to promote road safety? A. New vehicle models. B. Tickets to sporting events. C. Free fuel vouchers. D. Safety posters, leaflets, and pocket guides. The correct answer is D. Safety posters, leaflets, and pocket guides. What information can be found by clicking the Map option? A. Rules about panchayats. B. The importance of road safety. C. How many Panchayat Raj in Tamil Nadu? D. Schemes of Panchayat Raj. The correct answer is C. How many Panchayat Raj in Tamil Nadu? The text lists functions of which type of local body? A. Village panchayats. B. Corporations. C. Zilla Parishads. D. Gram Sabha. The correct answer is B. Corporations. What type of rights are mentioned alongside economic and political rights in the context of human rights? A. Social and cultural rights. B. Property and land rights. C. Environmental and ecological rights. D. Religious and spiritual rights. The correct answer is A. Social and cultural rights. What specific duties and functions are to be examined for the Prime Minister of India? A. Judicial appointments. B. Duties and functions. C. Legislative and financial functions. D. Emergency powers. The correct answer is B. Duties and functions. When was the word secularism first mentioned in the Indian Constitution? A. 1947. Born in 2000. Circa 1950. D. 1976. The correct answer is D. 1976. What foreign policy detail is mentioned in relation to Arab countries and Iran? A. Energy diplomacy. B. Military cooperation. C. Tourism agreements. D. Cultural exchange programs. The correct answer is A. Energy diplomacy. When was the Bhutanese-McMahon line determined? A. 1904. Born in 1924. Circa 1914. D. 1934. The correct answer is circa 1914. What is Nandini's age or grade mentioned? A. Standard V. B. Standard 8. C. Standard 7. D. Standard 6. The correct answer is D. Standard 6. What is a candidate called if they contest an election without belonging to any political party? A. A neutral candidate. B. An independent candidate. C. A party candidate. D. A non-aligned candidate. The correct answer is B. An independent candidate. Who controls the finances of the state? A. The legislature. B. The chief minister. C. The governor. D. The judiciary. The correct answer is A. The legislature. What are the two main types of political parties? A. Local and international parties. B. Democratic and authoritarian parties. C. Ruling and opposition parties. D. National and state parties. The correct answer is D. National and state parties. Which act has widened the definition of consumer? A. The new Consumer Protection Act. B. The Direct Selling Act. C. The E-Commerce Regulation Act. D. The Multi-Level Marketing Act. The correct answer is A. The new Consumer Protection Act. What is the role of villagers in relation to food provisions mentioned in the text? A. Consumers. B. Buyers. C. Sellers. D. Producers. The correct answer is D. Producers. Which English term aligns with the Tamil word commodity? A. Goods. B. Services. C. Capital. D. Information. The correct answer is A. Goods. How did you score?